Good morning, my dear legendary students. A warm welcome, a pleasant morning, and welcome back to online webinar classes. I think previous classes we are taking direct to. Now, today we are going to directly interact with you. And today we are going to an interesting topic, the new topic. Okay, already previous classes, digestion is completed, respiration is completed. Okay, and today we are going to discussing about a new topic that is none other than very important thing. Okay, before we are going to enter, so this is Krishna, HOD of Zoology, Sri Mahasabali College. So welcome to online webinar classes. Okay, thank you very much. This is today we are going to topic a new topic that is circulation. What is my circulation? Circulation. Okay, this is visible. Visible, Usha, Rajita.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you very much. So this is circulation. Anybody can say what is circulation? Anybody can say what is circulation?
The movement of blood in the body from one place to another place is called circulation.
Very good, excellent answer. Very nice. Okay, nice. So that is a good discipline, legendary students of Krishna students. Thank you very much. Circulation means what? This circulation, okay, it is clearly visible, ma? Is clear visible?
Clearly.
Okay. Circulation means the movement of body fluids. What ma? Movement of body fluids. Movement of body fluids from one part to another part. One part to from one part to another point. Okay, so that is called the movement of body fluids from one part to another part. That is called what ma? Circulation. So anybody can say, what are the body fluids? Come on, tell me. What are the body fluids are there? You know very well. So that is very, for what purpose? Remembering one thing. For what purpose in our body? For the transport system is there. So this is one of the important another definition. Transport of that means molecules from one part to another part. One part to another part. That is called also one of the transport system. The transport system is also called circulation. Circulation. For example, you must be say whether you are going to you are decided today you are going to Hyderabad. How to go Hyderabad? Come on, tell me. How to go Hyderabad? Anybody can say? How to go Hyderabad from Momna to Hyderabad? From Momna to Hyderabad. Tell me, Bushra.
By various vehicles like a bus, car, or.
Okay, very good. By various vehicles, you know very well. So, like bus, car, train, like etc., any other vehicle. This is one of the transport system on by road. All of the people they are going from Momna to Hyderabad. So they are going by bus on the road, right? So here we are eating food material. We are breathing oxygen, right? We are eating food material for what purpose? For the healthy purpose. These energy molecules, these energy air, energy oxygen, right? They are transported from one organ to another organ. Okay, through the one system is there, transport system is there. That transport system is called circulation. Okay, so this is important. Now you must be say, so who discovered for the first time? Who discovered the circulatory system? Circulation defined by whose? The circulatory system designed by or discovered by whose Come on, tell me any idea?
William.
Huh?
William. William.
Not William. William Harvey. Padma? William Harvey. William Harvey scientist. William Harvey scientist who discovered the circulatory system in the animals, especially. Okay, na? So the William Harvey was discovered the circulatory system in human being body. So that's why for the first time the circulatory system, the circulation system discovered by William Harvey. That's why William Harvey is the, come on, tell me, ma, father of, come on, tell me, physiology. Father of physiology. Okay, so for the first time, the circulatory system defined and discovered by Suzma William Harvey. That's why father of physiology is known as Suzma William Harvey. Who scientist ma? William Harvey, remembering one. Now, next one, the definition is goal. Okay, so the movement of body fluids from one part to another part. Okay, so the system is called, the process is called circulation. The circulation process is discovered by the William Harvey. So that's why William Harvey is called father of physiology. Now you know very well for what purpose we are going to that. Come on, tell me, ma. So for what purpose we are in our body? Circulation is there. So the circulatory system is present. Come on, tell me. What is the function of circulatory system? What is the function of circulation? Anybody can say? What is the function of circulatory system?
Through the blood circulation, the various nutrients will be transported from one part of the body to another.
Okay, very good. Next, only nutrients. Only.
And excretory materials also transported by this circulatory system.
Very good, very good. Excretory products also which is transport, right? Nice. Next, next ma'am.
Our oxygen also transported by this circulatory system by the blood.
Very good, very good. Excellent answer. So our oxygen, that means gas is also transported from, so from one part to another part. That is, I think, very good, excellent, Gustavo. You have done a fantastic answer. Okay, thank you very much. So number one, what is the function of circulation? What is the function of circulation, ma? That is number one. Number one, transport of nutrients. Number one, what, ma? Transport of nutrients. What are the nutrients? Come on, tell me. Already after digestion. After the digestion, ma, we are taking food material, na? Carbohydrate, proteins, lipids, and vitamins and minerals also. Minerals also, these are the nutrients, micro and macronutrients which are transported from one organ to this one part to another part. Through the system is there, transport system is there. That transport system is called. So circulation. Okay, it's very very good. Next one. Next, what is important? Transport of oxygen and carbon dioxide. Transport of oxygen and carbon dioxide through the blood circulation. Remember one thing. So, for example, after breathing, we are inhalation of oxygen. The inhalation of oxygen which is transported from lungs to tissue, and in the tissue, carbon dioxide is removed. Okay, in that carbon dioxide from transferred from tissue to lungs, to the one system is there, one fluid is there. That system, the fluid is called blood. The system is called circulation. The process is called circulation. The system is called circulatory system. The process is called circulation. Okay, so the media is called body fluids like blood, like plasma, any other else, right? This is the second function. Next one, transport of excretory products. What ma? Transport of excretory products. Excretory, we nothing but excretory products, nothing but nitrogen is waste material. Nitrogen is waste material, you know very well. Okay, already very important thing. So in our body, in our animals, different animals which are produces different nitrogen waste material like ammonia, like urea, like uric acid, okay, like guanosine, and different nitrogen waste products are formed in the body. That type of nitrogen waste material which is transferred from one part to another part. Okay, so that is a system. The process is called circulation. The system is called transport system or circulator system in different elements. That is one of the important. And next important function. What is the next important function? Remembering one thing. Okay. So transport of hormones. Adma? Transport of hormones. Transport of hormones from one organ to, for example, you know very well. So our topic is there. The hormones which are secreted in the different endocrine glands. These endocrine glands to secretes and these hormones are enters into blood and reach it to another organ. Through the one media is there. That media is called blood. The system is called circulatory system or transport system. Okay, that is a transport of hormones. Right? Next.
Sir, can you please repeat that point?
Yes, okay, no problem. Once I repeat, what happened? Transport of hormones. Actually, the transport of hormones means what, ma? The hormones which are secreted in the endocrine glands. The hormones are secreted in the endocrine glands. For example, I would like to give one example. For example, you know very well, thyroxine. Thyroxine which is secreted from thyroid gland. This thyroxine which is enters into blood, which is enters into the body fluid, that is blood, the blood to carries and sent to another organ. What organ? Throughout the body. Throughout the body development purpose required thyroxine. Right? For example, total body development, growth and body development and heart development, visceral organs, everything development purpose required thyroxine. The thyroxine secreted from thyroid gland here. Thyroid gland present here, but it is that thyroxine released into blood, the blood to send to throughout the body and development purpose. Not only external, internal, everything visceral organs completely develop in the influence of thyroxine. With the influence of thyroxine. That hormones, example that one. And one more example, adrenaline. Adrenaline secreted from, okay, where it is adrenal gland located at above, you know very well, adrenal gland secreted, okay, where it is location? It is location on the kidney. The adrenal gland it is location on the kidney, top of the kidney, but it's secreted, so it is function throughout the body. The adrenal gland is called emotional hormones. Adrenal gland is called what, ma? Emotional hormones. For example, it's secreted from kidney. Okay, it is functioning on brain. It is functioning in heart. It is functioning throughout the body. For example, any emotional like sad, like happiness, like pleasure. What happened, ma? We have been very happy, very excited. Okay, whether for example, your mother, your father to be beating to you, what happened, ma? Like crying. Crying means what? So it is an emotional hormone. It is where it is secreted. It is secreted from kidney. Okay, released into blood and transport function throughout the body. That's why you must be giving emotions like throughout the facial, throughout the body. You must be said like body language, right? So that is important of transport of hormones from one part to another part. One part to another part. That is one important thing. Okay, next function. Okay, next function to prevent the body against with the microorganisms. What ma? So very important thing. To prevent the body against with the microorganisms, right? Very important thing. Okay, what is ma? To prevent the body. To prevent the body against with the microorganisms. What are the microorganisms? For example, we are intaking the food material, right? So we are intaking the food material like whatever chapati, idli, and curries. In that curry, so many microorganisms are enters into our escaping from the primary defense mechanism, enters into the system, and finally enters into the blood. But in the blood, what happens now? So you know very well, prevent, protect our body against with the hormones that should be present in the blood. For example, you know very well. So WBC cells, lymphofluid, B cells, T cells, B lymphocytes, T lymphocytes, eosinophils, basophils, neutrophils. These are present in the blood. Basophils, remember one thing, basophils to fight against with the allergens. And what happened now? Eosinophils to against to fight with against with the allergens. Basophils to against fight with macrophages. And neutrophils to function against with the bacteria. Where the bacteria enters. For example, you know very well, the typhoid affected, a person affected with typhoid. In our body, in our blood, what happened now? So much, the huge amount of the neutrophils to be produces. That neutrophils against fighting with the microorganisms, bacteria, right? So that's why to kill the bacteria, that's why neutrophils is called. Neutrophils is called microscopic policeman of the body cells. What? Microscopic policeman of the body cells. Remembering one thing, so that is one of the important. And the B cells to develop the immunity power, that is very well, humoral immunity. It is one of the what happened, a great weapon protecting of our body to against the microorganisms. That is, B lymphocytes are responsible for the defense the body against with pathogens, against with the microorganisms. That's why the B cells are responsible for humoral immunity. Humoral immunity. Okay. And T cells are responsible for, very well, this is the cell mediated immunity to defend our body. And monocytes are called, it is to development the immunity power. It is also called macrophages. It is also called macrophages, which are responsible to kill the pathogens, macropathogens. And to clean the body by monocytes. That's why it's called scavengers of the body cells. But scavengers of the body cells is called totally immune. And one more thing, so this blood, very important thing, the circulation, important thing, whether for example your wound, whether your body should be injured, after 3 days, after 2 days, the wound should be cured. How? Because of our platelets are there. Our platelets are there. The platelets are to responsible for what? Blood clotting. Blood clotting after the wound should be cured. Everything should be total body should be prevent against with the microorganism, the circulation. Without circulation,
నెట్ వస్తలేదు సార్. నేను 3 points తప్ప అసలు నా క్లాస్ ఏమి వినిపించలేదు.
వాట్ మా అదికా
అసలు నెట్ వస్తలేదు సార్. డెఫినేషన్ ఇంకా ఫంక్షన్ తప్ప నేను ఏం వినలేదు సార్ అసలు క్లాస్.
ఎందుకు ఏమైంది? ప్రాబ్లం ఏమైంది?
ఏమో సార్, నెట్ వస్తలేదు. ఇంట్లో బయటకు వస్తే వర్షం వస్తుంది.
ఇప్పుడు నౌ ఆడిబుల్?
యా, నో ఆడబుల్ సార్.
Okay. No, I should repeat completely. Total, what are the functions? Complete. Definition is clear?
యా, డెఫినేషన్ ఫంక్షన్ క్లియర్ ఉంది సార్. దాని తర్వాత చెప్పిన పాయింట్స్ వినలేదు సార్. నెట్వర్క్ ఎర్రర్ అని వస్తుంది.
No problem. I will quickly review, no problem. Okay, thank you, Radhika. So this is important about to prevent the body against the pathogens. Okay, so this is our main functions of circulation functions. What are the function? Number 1, Radhika, you must be understand. So what is the number of function? Transport of nutrients. What are the nutrients? You are intaking like chapati, puri, idli. What are the carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, vitamins, and minerals. Transport of minerals, transport of nutrients from one organ to another organ. One organ to another organ through the medium is blood. Through the system, circulatory system or transport system. That is the number 1. Number 2 function, transport of gases. What transport of gases, that is oxygen and carbon dioxide. oxygen and carbon dioxide, which is transported from one organ to another organ. Next, transport of excretory products. What ma? Transport of excretory products that should be done by. So the media is called blood. The system is called circulatory system. The process is called circulation, and the system is called circulatory system or transport system. Okay. So next one ma? Transport of hormones. Hormones are secreted from endocrine glands. It is functioning another organ. It is functioning another organ. For example, okay, thyroxine already told you. Thyroid gland present here. But for this thyroid gland secretes the thyroxine which is functioning on throughout the body. All visceral organs which are developed, growth and development should be done by the thyroxine. The thyroxine reach purpose, one vehicle, one transport system is called circulatory system. The process is called circulation. The media is called blood. And last, to prevent the body against the pathogens like microorganisms. For example, loss function. If the body is infection by the different microorganisms. Okay, remember one thing. That infection should be converted to disinfection. The infection to kill the microorganism, to kill the pathogens, and the body to disinfection should be done by the circulatory system. This is important about circulation definition and circulation functions. Clear? So now I would like to go types of circulation. What happened, ma? Next one, beta. Types of circulation. Types of circulation. Okay. How many types of circulation? Okay. Types of circulation. Okay. Radhika, now visible, audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Nice. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Visible this one, types of circulation? Vikas, Arun?
Yes.
Are you there, Vikas, Arun?
Yes, sir.
ఉన్నారా లేదా తమిళ్?
అట్లా
Okay, okay. Nice. Okay, no problem. No problem. So, types of circulation. Mainly in different animals and different circulations. The circulation is mainly two types of circulation is there. How many types, ma? Two types of circulation is there. One is open type of circulation, and the second one is closed type of circulation. How many types of circulation, ma? Two types of circulation is there. One is open type of circulation. Okay. Now, Bushra, visible, audible?
Sir.
Okay, Rekha, are you there?
Yes.
Rekha, not responding.
Yes, sir. Visible, sir.
Okay. Nice. Thank you. Okay, you must be muted. Mute just. So, how many types of circulation? Mainly open type of circulation and closed type of circulation. Open type and closed type. So, anybody can say what is open type of circulation? Anybody can say? Anybody can say what is open type of circulation? Anybody can say? Any idea? Sushmita, Iram, Akita, Akila, Amani. Any idea, ma? No idea. No idea. I would like to give you. What is open type of circulation? What is closed type of circulation? What is closed type of circulation? Okay, now. So very important thing. Open type of circulation, the blood is flow. The blood is flow outside of the blood capillaries. That means outside of the blood vessels. Okay, now. So that means what happened, ma? Open type of circulation, but the blood is flow. The blood is flow outside of the blood vessels. That means what, ma? The blood is flow without presence of blood vessels. Okay, that is called open type of circulation. And closed type of circulation. Closed type of circulation, the blood is flow within the blood vessels. Within the blood vessels, very very important. Okay, try to draw the diagram of what ma? So open type of circulation and closed type of circulation. What is open type? What is closed type? For example, this is okay. This one is what happened, ma? This one is artery. This one is artery, and this one is vein. Okay. This diagram is visible. Anybody can say?
Yes, sir, clear.
Okay. This one, what is this?
Vein,
This one is
artery.
okay. Nice. Okay. Open type of circulation. So this is a what happened, ma? Open space is there. This is called open space. This is called sinuses. This is called what ma? Sinuses. Okay. This one is called what ma? Sinuses. Remembering one thing. Okay, now clear? 1 minute. Okay. What ma? So, what is come and tell me? For example, open type of circulatory system, the blood is flow, okay, from artery to vein. Artery to vein, there is no capillaries, there is no small vessels. There is no capillaries and there is no small vessels. That is called whatever open type of circulatory system. Okay, now how many types of circulatory system? Types of circulation mainly two types: open type and closed type. So in the open type of circulatory system, what happened now? The blood is flow without influence of, that means absence of blood capillaries and small blood vessels. Okay, that is called what ma? Open type of circulatory system. Right? So that is very very important. So the blood is directly connected with the artery to venous, artery to venous through open spaces. Through open spaces. That open space is called what ma? That is called a sinuses. That is called what a sinuses. And whereas in closed type of circulatory system, okay now, very important thing, for example, this is okay, artery. This one is called artery, and this one is called, and this one is called this is vein. This is a vein is there. But here, remembering one thing.
సార్ కనిపించట్లేదు సార్ డయాగ్రామ్.
Diagram కనిపించడం లేదా? Now,
లేదు సార్.
okay. I will have to draw a big one. Closed type of circulation. This one is clear?
లేదు సార్ క్లియర్.
Okay. Now, so this one is now clear. This is a
లేదు సార్.
artery. This is a vein. Okay. But here, what happened? Okay. This one is, you must be remembering that. Okay, what happened now? Here the artery split into, you know very well. So, and these are called what ma? Capillaries. What ma? Capillaries. This is called capillaries. Okay, transport of blood, flow of blood from artery to vein through capillaries and small blood vessels. Small blood vessels. So this is the capillaries are there. These arteries are you know very well end with arteries are end with arteriole. What ma? The arteries are end with arteriole or simply arteriole. Arteriole. Okay. Or arteriole or so arteriole. So the artery which is end with arteriole and veins are end with what ma? Veins are begins with not end with the veins are begins with what happened ma? The blood is flow like that. The blood is flow like that. Like that. Okay now. So arteries are end with arteriole. So and veins are begins with arterioles are end, right? So arteries are end with arteriole, veins are begins with the venule. What ma? Venule. Okay, these venule and arteriole, so these are the small blood capillaries or small blood vessels. Small blood vessels. Okay now. So that is a very important thing. That's why the blood is flow in the arteries and what ma? Arteriole, that means capillaries and blood vessels and what happened ma? So enters into organs. Okay, organs start with begins with vein. Okay, this is a closed type. What ma? Closed type of circulation. Once again repeat, closed type of circulation. Remember one thing. The closed type of circulation, the blood is flow from artery to venule, from artery to vein through arteriole and venules of the blood vessels and capillaries. Blood vessels and capillaries. This is important. So that's why here closed type of circulation, the blood is flow. The blood is flow. What happened ma? So within the blood vessels and blood capillaries. But whereas in open type of circulation, so the blood should not flow. Blood vessels, the blood should not flow. Blood capillaries and small blood vessels. Only the blood is flow in the open spaces. The open spaces is called sinuses. Whereas in closed type of circulation, capillaries are present, small blood vessels are present. Okay, that's why the open type, the blood is flow sent with artery to vein through the blood vessels and capillaries. So here arteries are end with the arteriole and veins are begins with the venule. So this is an important difference between the open type and the closed type of circulation. Open type and closed type of circulation. So that is important thing. And what are the examples of open type of circulation? What are the examples of open type of circulation? Remember one thing. This open type of circulation, the examples, very important thing. Okay. Okay. So that is important. Annelidans, few of the annelidans. The annelidans examples nereis. Few of the annelidans examples nereis and molluscans. Padma, molluscans. Molluscans open type of circulation system is there. Okay, and ascidians. What ma? Ascidians also examples of open type of circulation. Open type of examples in Annelida, nereis, arthropoda, completely arthropoda. Okay, Annelida, nereis, arthropoda, especially for in arthropoda, what happened ma? In arthropoda, crustaceans. What ma? Crustaceans, examples of open type of circulation. So what are the examples? Annelida, nereis, arthropoda, especially for crustaceans, and molluscans. Okay, the molluscans examples phyla and ascidians. These are all the what are the examples of open type? Ma, anybody can say what are the examples? What are the examples? Mishra.
The examples are mollusca,
Okay.
ascidians,
Okay.
orthopoda, in
Okay.
orthopoda crustaceans,
Okay.
and in Annelida nereis.
Okay. Annelida, nereis, arthropoda, crustaceans, molluscans, and ascidians. These are the examples of open type of circulation. Now, closed type of circulation. What are the examples? Closed type of circulation. So, I would like to give examples. What are the examples? Examples. Number one, annelida. Annelida, that is earthworm. Annelida, that is what ma? Earthworm. Example, earthworm. And next one, so cephalopoda. Cephalopoda, that is one of the example. And next one, what are the fish? That is total vertebrates. What ma? Total vertebrates. Total vertebrates. Examples, what are the examples of closed type of circulation? Come on, tell me. So, annelida, earthworm, and cephalopoda, and what ma? Vertebrates. What are the vertebrates examples? Come on, tell me. In vertebrates example, what ma? Fishes. Come on, tell me. Amphibians. Okay. Next, what ma? Next.
Reptiles, apes.
Reptiles.
Apes.
Next, what ma?
Mammals.
Mammals.
Yes, very good, very good. Months. These are the what type of month? Closed type of circulation. Closed type of circulation. This is the difference between the open type and closed type of circulation. Open type and a closed type of circulation is there. So closed type of open type of circulation, the blood is flow from, you know very well, from artery to vein through the spaces is called sinuses. And whereas in closed type of circulation, the blood is flow from artery to vein through the small blood vessels and capillaries is called what ma? Closed type of circulation. So open type of circulation, the blood is flow without influence of what happened blood vessels. Here, what happened na closed type of circulation, here the blood is flow from within the influence of within the presence of blood vessels and very well that is a capillaries, right? So the examples of open type of circulation, annelida, nereis, arthropods. Okay, of course, especially for example, crustaceans and molluscans, ascidians. These are the important about the so open type of circulation. Closed type of circulation examples. Okay, annelida, earthworm example, cephalopoda, and vertebrata examples. In all vertebrates, fishes, amphibians, reptiles, apes, mammals, earthworms also. So this is important about what about the types of circulation. Types of circulation. What is circulation? What is the function of circulation? Types of circulation. So today this is a topic. Okay, tomorrow we'll discussing about heart. What type of hearts are there? That is myogenic heart, neurogenic heart. Tomorrow we'll discussing about. Okay now. So I think all of you clear today topic.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you very much. So I hope understand you inform to your friends. Come back. కొంచెం strength పెరగాలి మీది రావడం లేదు strength. ఓకేనా సో thank you very much for your understanding this situation of this webinar. This is today's session is end. Thank you very much. And one more thing, last, and this session also going to upload in our YouTube channel. Please subscribe, share it to your friends, ma. Please. So because of 1,000 nearly, and watching hours also 4,000 watching hours also to be required. That's why all of you, those who are to be listen the class, then after you must be listen and write the notes also by seeing in YouTube channel. Okay, thank you. And once I repeat, subscribe, like it, comment it, and share it. This is Krishna, your HOD of Zoology, your Arterial legendary sir. Thank you very much. This is Krishna, HOD of Zoology, signing out.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you for all of you.